Okay, here's a typical day for me in the access control business. Me and my buddy over here, we are installing a 120 volt AC automatic gate opener, and it's recently been pointed out to me that I should be taking the control board out if I'm welding. Well, over the last almost 20 years, never had a problem with, never ever heard anybody else had a problem with this. And this is the typical way that we do it. We use a stick or MIG welder like this technician is using here. We ground to the chassis and then we weld the gate operator to the gate operator stand. And I am just curious if this is the wrong way to do it or not. If anybody has any insight on how the electrons flow through the chassis into what would, I guess, be the ground to the control board, which should be the only thing that the chassis is grounded to, none of the inputs, then how do we actually have a short? I recently had a buddy that put two new gates in, the actual gate right there on the left hand side, put two new gates in and welded it to an existing gate operator, and they were working before he started and they stopped working right after he put the two new gates on. So I was curious if anybody had an opinion on how this could damage the control boards.